Hey, what's up guys? Jake here with Success Motors. I have a walk around video for you today. As you can see behind me, I have a really nice Ford F250. But hey, if it's your first time with us, welcome. My name is Jake. I am the owner-operator of Success Motors down here in College Station, Texas. We take 15-20 minutes. We do a very thorough deep dive walk around video of all of our vehicles, just in case you're out of state or maybe even just out of town and you want to know whether it's worth your time to come down to College Station and check the vehicle out. Now, we do sell a lot of vehicles out of state. So if that's you and you don't want to come down to College Station, watch the video in its entirety and make sure this truck is everything that you think it is. I always recommend come down here to College Station, put your hands on the vehicle. But if that's not on the cards for you, you can fly down here and we can do everything through the electronic method of signing, and then we can transport this thing to you anywhere in the lower 48 states. All right. Like and subscribe, guys, if you don't mind. That'd be very helpful to me. And let me hop out of the way and start showing you this rig. Guys, this is a 2017 Ford F250 King Ranch Ultimate. It is the 6.7 liter Powerstroke diesel, of course. It is an FX4. And like I said, it does have the King Ranch Ultimate package. And then this is the 2017, so you still get the 6-speed transmission. And in my opinion, it's the better transmission. GM, Ford, there's been some issues with the 10-speed. 10-speed's a great tranny, but there's a lot of you guys out there that still like the 6-speed. So I don't blame you. We sell a lot of these 2017s specifically, and this color combination happens to be one of my favorite. And the last one that we had in this color combo and this trim package sold within like 3 days. So I kind of expect the same thing with this one. So it's the beautiful black with tan bottom. I just don't feel like you see it as often. So it's just like a really beautiful truck. And then this one does have the matching, and you can see these are like in brand new condition. It does have the matching front and rear ranch hand bumper painted to match. So it's really a very cohesive color. It looks beautiful. The last one we had, the front bumper was actually more of a brown, but this is actually a very cohesive painted to match color. So again, 2017 King Ranch. This truck is a 3-owner Southern truck serviced at Ford the 98% of the time throughout its life. You can see that on CarFax. It doesn't have any accidents reported to CarFax. It has one minor damage reported back in like 2021, but it just shows very minor on the scale. That could have literally been a door ding that they had fixed and just reported it to insurance, but it doesn't say anything about any accidents. Now, guys, this truck is stock emissions, not tuned, not deleted, but we do have a 3-inch lift level. We do have Ranchero shocks throughout. We do have this, in my opinion, pretty cool set of fuel wheels. So the wheels are a 20 by 12.5, and these are wrapped around a open country Toyo open country RT tire, size 37, 12.5 R20. Tires are like brand spanking new, guys. These have basically all their tread left. And the wheels are really cool, like bronze color, which I think is cool. And then peeking back there, I don't know if y'all can see, guys, this thing has drilled and slotted brake rotors. So there's some nice touches on this truck all the way around, but drilled and slotted brake rotors all the way around. You can see here, nice shock, clean frame, and you can see that Ranchero shock right there. Also, this truck does have your dual steering stabilizer. What else? Road armor bumpers, front and back, the lift, the shocks, the wheels, the tires, the brakes. This truck does have, so it is stock emissions and all that, but it does have the SPE upgrade kit. So it has an SPE turbo with up pipes and radiator hoses, things like that. I'll show you under the hood in a minute. Very clean engine bay, but it does have an aftermarket turbo. So that's kind of cool. All right, let's get into it. The interior is, as you'd imagine, very clean. Most of these trucks are super clean. And by the way, if you're new to the channel, we do go out of our way to make sure we're bringing in only nice trucks. So we did purchase this truck and immediately sent a mechanic out to look at it. And they do a very thorough look over through the powertrain to make sure the truck is free of any problems or issues. So we did that before we ever took ownership of the truck. It's fully serviced, inspected, and ready to rock and roll. So this one does have your massaging seats, being the King Ranch Ultimate. Your seats are in great shape. No significant wear, tear, or anything like that in the bolstering. You can see all that very clean. Let me show you the original sticker there, or the VIN plate. This one does have your WeatherTech floor mats, black. These are nice. These look like a newer kind. They seem a little bit more rigid than the WeatherTechs that I'm familiar with. So that's kind of nice. Now, like I said, this truck is not tuned or anything like that, and the interior is, you know, basically as it came from the factory. You don't have any cracks in the windshield. You do have a nice little brow there. Steering wheel's in good shape. You still got, you know, your USB, get your cup holders, got your nice center console. Of course, no flaws in the dash. This one does have the panoramic sunroof, but very clean interior, guys. Actually smells good too. Smells very clean and very nice. Coming around second row, door panels are clean. And of course, the second row is clean, as they usually are with these trucks. I would assume most of the time nobody sits back here. You got your WeatherTech throughout, even back here, which is nice. And then you've got your lockable storage back here as well. Just another vantage point of the front. Again, the front of the truck, or the interior of the truck, is basically perfect. I don't think we're gonna find any flaws in here, but I'll try to show you everything. While we're up here, here's the roof. Roof's in good shape. No dents or dings. And then there's a good shot at your bed. It does have a spray-in bed liner as well. We'll do an exterior tour here in a minute, guys, and we will drive it. If you're interested, give me a call, 979-202-1948. The CarFax report is on my website, successmotors.net. You'll find the price listed there as well. And then you can find the original window sticker if you click on the CarFax, and then the window sticker will be available as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say, guys, the interior is, you know, basically perfect. We didn't see any tears or excessive wear or anything like that on this interior anywhere. Power or massaging seats throughout. WeatherTech, like we said, does have your original owner's manual and everything that it came from with the factory. Got your dual cubby situation there, and again, your dash is all clean. Your center console, cup holders, upholstery, everything is really clean. All right, exterior tour. This truck obviously is black, and it's in great shape. Paint's in great shape. We're not going to find very many dents, dings, or scratches, but I'll try to show you the ones that we do see. And again, your frame is clean. This is a Southern truck, guys. Be careful with what you're buying. If they come from up north, they're not going to look like that underneath. You do have a rock chip right there. All your tires are the same. They look like they were all replaced at the same time. They've got great tread life. So that front fender is clean. We do have a slight rock chip that we saw there. You got your stubby little antenna. Great shape. I'm not seeing any big scratches or dents to show you here. This truck has not had a polish or paint correction or a wax or anything. So it looks just like it does. All we did was wash it. I think if you wanted to make it look like absolutely perfect, a polish would probably make it look even better. It would take some of the light swirls that it might have in the paint and stuff like that out. But overall, guys, extremely clean. Again, I would rate this to be one of the cleaner trucks that you can find for 2017. This one does have the blind spot monitoring, no cracks in the tail lights. And again, you got your painted to match road armor bumper in the rear as well. And then it does have some backup lights, or some fog lights, I guess, as well as your parking sensors are still there. You still maintain your stock exhaust, of course, dual tip from the factory. So this side, I'm calling basically perfect, with the exception of like a rock chip or two. King Ranch, of course, backup camera, step in the tailgate, and then it's got your Chimzo camera. And again, you got your spray-in bed liner. No flaws that I'm seeing there. Again, no cracks in the tail light, blind spot monitoring. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rig. If you have any questions, call me, 979-202-1948. We do offer financing, and we do offer warranty options, or we can work with whatever bank or lender you want to work with. Totally up to you. We do accept trades, and we do ship nationally. I mean, I didn't see any scratches so far. I do see a slight door ding, like a little bitty thing, like a pin tip right there. Probably isn't even a door ding. It's like something, maybe a rock hit it right there. Keyless entry. Even these guys, none of those are broken. Little rock chip. I mean, very, very clean, guys. We didn't miss anything. Very clean, sharp looking truck. Hood is also really clean. Couple, like 1, 2, you know, little rock chips, but I mean, very clean. Paint's all in great shape, no oxidation. And then again, this bumper almost looks like it was painted recently. I mean, it's just in good, clean condition. You do have your front camera, and again, ranch hand bumper. Let me pop the hood, show you the engine bay, and then we'll start the truck. We'll drive it. And if you are interested, give me a call. Like I said, the last one that we had that was this color did sell in like a few days. So again, this one does have your SPE upgrade kit, which comes with a few different things, but the biggest thing is it has the SPE turbo, and then it's got your, I think your charge pipes and your radiator hoses and just a few different things in there. And then it does have the S&B intake, cold air intake, but you can see very clean engine bay. And the truck runs phenomenally. All right, let's start it up. And again, probably predominantly serviced at Ford since new. Well, push button start, of course, and it does have, so the hood's ajar, of course. So 124,476 miles. Let's see if we can show you guys the hours. Where do I find the hours? Trying to remember, maybe engine information. Here we go. Engine hours 4,647 with engine idle hours at 1,200. So that's going to be right at 20-25%. So that's right where you want it to be. That's a good ratio there. Boom. No check engine lights, of course. AC's blowing cold. I'm not going to go through and show you everything works, but everything does work. Heated seats, cooled seats, automatic climate control. This one does have a CD player, throwback to 2017. Does have your dual climate auto zone, or your dual climate AC and climate. Does have a trailer brake controller. Of course, it's 4-wheel drive. You've got your, your front camera, your hill descent. Guys, this truck is absolutely hard loaded from the factory. Let me get out so you can hear it idle, then we'll take it for a test drive. Nice smooth idle. Really smooth running engine, actually. Super smooth. And pretty quiet. Again, stock exhaust. So pretty quiet, but runs really good. Idles really smooth. Whew. All right, if you're still watching, I assume you're interested in this truck. So let me do a little summary here, just so we're all on the same page. Again, this is a 2017 Ford F250 King Ranch Ultimate Package, diesel FX4 6-speed tranny, 3-owner, Texas its whole life. Serviced at Ford the majority of its life. It does have, it's all stock mechanically with the exception of the SPE upgrade kit, which you can Google that. It's like a $5,000 kit. It comes with a turbo and different pipes and things like that. But stock emissions, not tuned. Very sharp truck, 3-inch lift level, 20-inch fuel wheels, the Ranchero shocks, the dual steering stabilizer, and then it's got those bumpers, guys. This is a sharp truck. Great history, great condition. I'm saying the interior is a 10 out of 10. I'm saying the exterior, man, if you were to, I mean, it's still a, 8-year-old truck, and all we saw was like 2 or 3 rock chips, so I'm saying the truck's like a 9.8 out of 10 on the exterior and interior. All right, guys, let's take this thing for a quick cruise. Again, AC is blowing cold right now. And that is the original windshield, by the way. It still has the Ford sticker down there, so it looks like it's the original windshield. Not a huge deal, but just a data point. Again, call me 979-202-1948 if you have any questions. And we can ship this thing anywhere in the lower 48 states. We do offer financing as well as accept trades. Got a little bit of traffic here, and then we'll get out on the road. And if you'd rather, we can work with your lender as well. All we have to do is send a buyer's order. Transmission is perfectly smooth. We've already shifted twice, non-detectable. Fourth gear. Steering is tight. Steering wheel feels great. Now we're in fifth. If you've watched any of my videos before, you know this is a relatively rough road. This is a kind of a back country, grooved out highway. So it's a good test. But now we're going 57, sixth gear, 1200 RPMs. Again, AC's blowing cold, no weird sounds in here, no creaks. Those RT Toyo tires are actually pretty quiet. I don't really even hear a hum from them. Exhaust note's quiet. Slightly different tone coming from the turbo when you're accelerating, because it's different. It's not factory, but here up at speed, don't even hear it. Again, no lights on. And then again, it just smells good in here. So the reason I'm being so detailed is if you're out of state and you can't come look at it, those are things that I would look for. I'll shut the video off here in about 2 minutes. We're going to turn around in the church parking lot like usual. All right, I'm on the brake pedal. No feedback in the brakes, and they're strong, and steering wheel's not pulling in either direction. Hopefully you can see that. We'll go over a rumble strip here in a minute, but yeah, brakes are perfect. That brake performance there was exactly like you would hope for. Didn't hear any squeaks in the brakes, nothing in the brake pedal. Perfect. Yeah, well, there you have it, guys. Really nice 2017 Ford F250. I don't think you'll find a nicer 2017 unless it's something that's on our lot already. Again, we have a really strict buying process and procedure because we're trying to build a good business and reputation here, guys. So this is a nice truck. It's been serviced well. It's been looked at and looked over through a mechanic. And man, I think you could buy this thing right now and you could drive it anywhere in the country and be problem free. But hey, let me know if you have any questions. Call me, of course, and God bless you, and I will talk to you really soon.